Track your flights. How to track the best international flights for your next vacation. Tracking international flights for your next vacation is an excellent way to stay updated on prices and find the best deals. Here are a few tips to help you track international flights effectively. Use flight aggregator websites. Websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, or Google Flights allow you to search for and track international flights. Set up price alerts for your desired destination and receive notifications when prices change. Sign up for airline newsletters. Subscribe to newsletters from airlines that fly internationally. They often send out exclusive deals and promotions, which can help you save money on your next vacation. Follow airlines and travel websites on social media. Airlines and travel websites often post flash sales and limited time offers on their social media platforms. By following them, you can catch these deals early and book your international flights at a discounted price. Use fare comparison tools. Fare comparison tools like Hopper or Skyscanner's price alert feature allow you to monitor flight prices over time. They analyze historical data and provide insights on when to book to get the best fares. Be flexible with your travel dates, if your schedule allows. Be open to traveling during off-peak seasons or on weekdays. Flights tend to be cheaper during these times, and tracking tools can help you identify the best days to fly. Consider alternative airports. Check flights from nearby airports as well. Sometimes, flying into or out of a different airport can lead to significant savings. Set a budget and be patient. International flight prices can fluctuate, so it's important to set a budget and wait for the right price. By tracking flights over time, you can identify patterns and know when to make your booking. Remember that tracking international flights requires some patience and flexibility. Be diligent in your search, utilize tracking tools, and stay open to various options. With persistence, you'll be able to find the best deals for your next international vacation. The thrill of finding amazing flight deals and making your dream vacation a reality. Are you ready for the thrill of finding amazing flight deals and turning your dream vacation into a reality? With the help of flight tracking tools and the abundance of online resources, you can now track international flights and uncover the best flight deals out there. Imagine the excitement of stumbling upon a discounted ticket to your dream destination, making it possible to embark on that once-in-a-lifetime trip. From the moment you start planning, the anticipation builds as you search for the perfect flights that fit your budget. With each click, you come closer to your dream vacation, feeling the rush of excitement knowing that you've secured an incredible deal. So buckle up and let the adventure begin. Because there's nothing quite like the thrill of finding amazing flight deals and making your dream vacation a reality. You like this video so far? Then, like and subscribe to receive more information that will make your travels more enjoyable. The top 5 flight tracking websites and apps you need to know about when it comes to tracking flights and finding the best deals. These top 5 flight tracking websites and apps are your ultimate travel companions. Get ready to soar to new heights with Skyscanner, the ultimate go-to platform for all your flight needs. Whether you're planning a spontaneous getaway or a well-deserved vacation, Skyscanner has got your back. With just a few clicks, you can search and compare flights from a vast range of airlines, ensuring that you find the most affordable options that fit perfectly within your budget. Say goodbye to endless hours spent scouring multiple websites and hello to the convenience and efficiency of Skyscanner. Get ready for takeoff and let Skyscanner be your trusty wingman on your next adventure. Next, let me tell you about the absolutely fantastic features that Kayak brings to the table. This incredible platform not only offers a user-friendly interface, but it also boasts an absolutely mind-blowing search engine that will make your travel planning experience an absolute breeze. With Kayak, you can effortlessly track flights, set price alerts to ensure you snag the best deals possible, and even explore travel itineraries that will leave you itching to pack your bags and hit the road. Get ready for a journey like no other with Kayak by your side. Oh, the excitement of FlightAware. This incredible platform takes flight tracking to a whole new level of awesome. With real-time updates, you can keep a close eye on any flight you desire, making sure you're always in the know. But that's not all. FlightAware goes above and beyond by offering detailed airport information, giving you the inside scoop on everything from departure gates to baggage claim areas. And wait for it, you can even indulge in the thrilling experience of viewing live flight maps. Buckle up and get ready for a journey filled with excitement and endless possibilities with FlightAware by your side. Are you someone who loves to explore the world and embark on thrilling adventures? If so, then TripIt is an absolute must-have for you. This comprehensive travel app is like your very own personal travel wizard, magically organizing all your flights, accommodations, and itineraries in one convenient place. Say goodbye to the hassle of sifting through dozens of emails and documents with TripIt. Everything you need for a seamless travel experience is right at your fingertips. So go ahead, download TripIt today and let the excitement of your next adventure begin. And finally, brace yourself for the exhilarating features of Flight Radar 24. This remarkable platform offers an awe-inspiring interactive map that allows you to effortlessly track flights from all corners of the globe. Prepare to be blown away as you dive into a world of aviation wonder, with detailed information on every aircraft and airport at your fingertips. Whether you're a passionate traveler or simply curious about the world above, Flight Radar 24 will take your flight tracking experience to new heights. With these flight tracking websites and apps in your arsenal, you'll never miss a great deal or lose track of your flights again. Happy travels! How to use fare alerts and price trackers to stay ahead of the game. Stay ahead of the game and never miss out on great flight deals with the help of fare alerts and price trackers. These essential tools allow you to monitor flight prices and receive notifications when fares drop or rise. By setting up fare alerts, you can specify your desired travel dates and destinations, and be instantly notified when prices change. Price trackers help you analyze historical flight data, enabling you to make informed decisions about when to book your tickets. Additionally, utilizing fare prediction tools can give you insights into future price trends, helping you plan your travel budget effectively. With these flight price tracking strategies in your arsenal, you'll be able to snag the best deals and make your travel dreams a reality. Start tracking today and get ready to embark on your next adventure. Tips and tricks for finding hidden gems, lesser-known airlines and alternative airports. Discover hidden gems in the world of air travel by exploring lesser-known airlines and alternative airports. While major airlines dominate the market, there are smaller carriers that offer great deals and unique routes. These hidden gems airlines often provide affordable fares and personalized services that can enhance your travel experience. Additionally, considering alternative airports can lead to significant savings. Smaller airports nearby major cities may offer cheaper flights and fewer crowds. Budget airlines also play a key role in finding hidden gems, as they specialize in low-cost travel options. By thinking outside the box and exploring these lesser-known airlines and alternative airports, you can uncover hidden treasures and make your journey even more memorable. Happy exploring! Beyond price, factors to consider when choosing the best international flight for your needs. When choosing the best international flight for your needs, it's important to look beyond just the price. Consider factors like flight duration, as a long journey can be tiring and affect your overall travel experience. Evaluate whether you prefer direct flights or don't mind layovers, as layovers can provide an opportunity to explore a new city or break up a long journey. Additionally, take into account the reputation and customer service quality of the airline. A reputable airline with good customer service can make your journey more comfortable and hassle-free. By considering these factors, you can ensure that your international flight meets your needs and allows you to have a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Safe travels! Subscribe and like and you will receive additional information for your next travels.